Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Today I am going to show you how can you create these multiple artboards in Photoshop. So firstly create a document, click the new file, then select the file width and the height, then click on the artboard option, then click on create. Okay, you can see there is artboard one on this file. So then select the artboard tool. Now press Alt from the keyboard, then drag and drop the artboard to the right side. It will automatically create another artboard in the same file. You can also create multiple artboards in the same file. Also, you can increase the size and decrease the size also. So you will see the several artboard group will be created on the layer menu. So hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.